Hey folks, just want to show you a super quick tutorial about the new instrument, the Wicka whistle. First of all, let's just talk about how to play it and operate it. You got a little switch right here. Forward is on, back is off. See, the button is up there. Forward, on. And now if you press that button, you'll hear the disc spin on the inside. And then all you have to do is just blow into this little hole right here. And you can just like with a flute or something like that, you can go digga digga digga. So you can use your tongue, double tonguing. If you look that up on YouTube, you'll see more about that. But kind of like digga digga digga. Like that. And then the louder you play, the louder you blow, the louder it's going to be. So very expressive. Now the next thing is how to change the batteries. Basically, you're going to go to that little the power switch right there, put your thumbs on both sides of it, and then you can kind of crack it, and then you can kind of wobble it back and forth. And then the batteries are on the inside there. What I do is I just kind of twist them, and then you can take the other one out like that. And once the batteries are back in, you pop it back on, pop the lid back on, line up that little notch with the switch, and then it should kind of just pop on. And then the last thing I'll show you is how to change the disc that's on the inside. So you see the little hole right there. So all I'm going to do is put my thumbs on both sides of that hole, just like we did with the bottom, and then you kind of pop it up like that, and you can see the disc there. And then what I do is I take like an X-Acto knife and extend it all the way, and then I just slide that underneath the disc and then twist it, and it'll pop off. So there's the disc. And then here's my new disc, which is the base disc. I try to get the really flat printed side on the bottom. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. I pop it on just using kind of like wiggling my finger on there to get it to go. Once it's on, I try to get it so it's kind of straight, like not too wobbly. You can actually move the like there's foam underneath here that kind of keeps the axle in place. So you can kind of move that around kind of to adjust it a little bit. And there, it's pretty stable, pretty flat. I put the lid on, making sure that the hole there is lined up with this little hole on that. Pop it on just like that, and then and you've got basically a completely different instrument. So that's it. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks.